Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. Today I'm participating in a challenge called as Thrift Flip Thursday below $10. This is hosted by Shayna from Robinson Repurposing and Savvy Crafts with Savannah. So if you haven't already visited to their channels, I'll leave the link of their channels in my description box as well as the playlist of all the participants. So today I'm going to upcycle some of my plastic containers and yeah, let's get started. So this is the final reveal, you guys. I'm so excited about this project. And these are my juice bottles and lotion bottles into something farmhouse style. And I like this green color paint. And this has got nice texture. I got like from Michael's for $1 after Christmas sale. And then I just painted my cranberry juice bottles and stuck twine around it, and also the farmhouse lace ribbon. And these are some flowers. They're pink and green, so I thought like it'll go and match the Valentine's theme, so I just inserted them. And this carton and this wooden box I spray painted lightly with gold, and I just used the twine around it and also the lace ribbon. And this is our very famous Dollar Tree beaded frame, and as you see that is one of the placemat with gray and white stripes, checks on it basically. And I stuck the laser cut hearts and also some greenery and gray bow on the top. And that is our picture frame with Valentine hearts on it. And this is one of the beads, the green color beads I just separated, and I just painted the same paint that I use for this juice bottles, and I just created a tassel out of the twine, and that's one. The last picture frame I'm really excited about. This is one of the distressed picture frame from Dollar Tree, and this is one of my lotion container, and this I twined it up on the top of the bottle, and I stuck it to this picture frame. And you saw that the picture I also painted the same kind of paint, and also I just stuck one of the pink rose and some of the greenery on the top, and farmhouse lace ribbon as a bow, and I stuck two of the corrugated cardboard pieces hearts on it just to celebrate the theme. So these are the few simple and easy upcycled neutral farmhouse in green tone, and I love this green tone. And I also wanted to celebrate Valentine's theme, so I just gave like hearts. And yeah, I'm very excited about this project. Let me know your thoughts on this, and you have any suggestions, please do leave in the comment section. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel yet, please do consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.